just seems so weird how the winter days have cleared and the sun just keeps on shining down on us. 'Cause this year the rain clouds are keeping their distance, thanks to laughable love songs and polite persistence. Summer's in your smile, spring's in your sound. I have butterflies and flowers all year round. There's a girl on the escalator, and now she is just a hater, 'cause she sees that I am holding your hand. 'Cause with you the season's warmer, and I feel like I am caught up, and this was all just part of your plan. And this just seems so nice. They might be cool as ice, but we're as hot as jalapeno. 'Cause this year the rain clouds are keeping their distance, thanks to laughable love songs and polite persistence. Summer's in your smile, spring's in your sound. I have butterflies and flowers. Yeah, yeah. This year the rain clouds are staying away. Whenever they see that you are walking my way. Summer's in your smile, spring's in your sound. I have butterflies and flowers all year round. Da 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 da, la la la, da 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 da, la la la. Hi, I'm Rachel.
And I'm Nathan.
And I'm Ashley.
And we're the we're the founding members of Twinson.
So we started the band because we really like harmonizing and making one sound all together. Rachel and I kind of have been doing that, and then we managed to find Nathan. Well, we're twins, and Nathan's last name is Bird, so we just put twins and bird, twins and bird.
We'd love to win this competition because we're such huge parachute fans. I think collectively we've gone to how many parachutes altogether?
6 or 7, eh?
Collectively?
Oh.
Collectively, like 15?
Yeah, probably around.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this is my 8th year, 8th or 9th year. And we just love watching all the different bands play, and to be able to perform on main stage is such a fantastic opportunity, once in a lifetime opportunity, and it would just be a really, really cool thing for us to get into, us to shed our knowledge of folk music to the crowd.
Yeah, and I think like it's certainly been like a dream of mine, and I think a dream of the girls as well, to play on a main stage like a parachute and to perform in front of so many people. And
Amazing.
I don't know, yeah, it certainly brightened up my day.
So please keep us in mind, it would be awesome. Thanks for watching!